My name is Brian Truss. I'm the homeowner of this house. Welcome to Far Hills, New Jersey. Something that was really important to both my wife and I when we moved in is we love the architectural details of the exterior.
When we first met with the homeowners, they sat us down. They really wanted to maintain the same appearance that the house had in its current state.
The AZEK system is the only system we can use because there was probably about 10 to 12 different types of molding on the home. We were able to come in, show the homeowner the entire system and say we can do AZEK from trim to siding to blocks, and they were completely sold on it.
The AZEK lap siding doesn't have a need for paint. Years later, it's going to look just like it did day one.
This house originally was covered in cedar siding. Being wood, it absorbs water, it rots, and also was something where we noticed a lot of insects, and that was something that we knew we were going to have to replace.
The main thing we like to focus on is longevity for their house as far as maintenance goes and upkeep.
It also provided the flexibility. Having two small children, AZEK has real long-term durability. Some of the unexpected benefits that we had were, in general, fewer seams than some of the other products that we were looking at.
You have a 16-foot panel, which cuts down on the amount of seams you're going to see on your home. You can connect the seams using hidden bracket system that keeps everything nice and tight.
The biggest advantage is that this is a floating system. All the movement in the panel is around windows and doors, so there's no ugly caulk, which is probably my biggest complaint from homeowners on other projects.
The feedback on this product has been absolutely fantastic. Homeowners are ecstatic, they love it, and it's also been great from our crews. They can't find a product easier to install.
Joe and Mike from CREO highly recommend the AZEK lap product. It was something they had a lot of experience with, which as a homeowner, again, gave us confidence that we were going to be doing this right one time, and it was something that was going to last for our lifetime of our home.
I think every architect in America should be speccing this product. That's how strong I feel about it.